Welcomes back. Here's EasyTalk Corner channel. Come and speak English together. This video is for beginners who start learning English. If you want to know how to speak English fluently, watch until the end. In this video, we are going to practice two very useful topics. Both are everyday conversations that you can use in real life. Today, we will learn about easy ways to start learning English. So, let's start. When you meet someone, you can start a friendly conversation by mentioning the weather. Here is useful sentence. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. The weather is so hot today, isn't it?
Yes, it's really hot. I think it might rain later.
Maybe. The clouds are getting darker. Great job. Now try making your own short weather conversation with these phrases.
Here's example sentences. It's sunny today, isn't it? It looks like it's going to rain. The weather is really hot these days. It's very windy this morning. The sky is so clear today. Now, let's learn how to order food at a restaurant. When you order, be polite and use phrases like, I would like, or, can I have, please? I would like a cheeseburger, please. Can I have a glass of water, please? Could I see the menu, please? Can I get the bill, please? Let's practice dialogue. Good morning. Here's the menu. What would you like to order?
I would like a chicken sandwich. And a glass of orange juice, please.
Of course. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready soon. Perfect. That's how you can politely order food in English. Try to use these sentences in your daily conversation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next video.